Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to break down a powerful topic in numerical analysis, numerical differentiation. We'll explain what it is, walk through the key methods like finite difference, Euler's, Taylor series, and the famous Runge-Kutta method, all with examples you can understand. Let's jump right in. Numerical differentiation is a way to estimate how fast a function is changing, especially when you don't have a clean formula to work with. It comes from the basic definition of a derivative in calculus. F of x prime equals the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. But in numerical methods, we use a small value of h instead of letting it approach 0. So the formula becomes f of x prime is approximately f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Let's make this practical with an example. We'll use the function f of x equals x squared. We want to estimate the derivative at x equals 2 using h equals 0.1. Apply the formula f of 2.1 minus f of 2 divided by 0.1. Our approximation gives us 4.1. The exact value is 4. That's pretty close. Now let's go over the four major methods used to perform numerical differentiation and solve differential equations. Finite difference formulas are used when you have tabulated data or measured values. There are three main formulas. Forward difference. F prime of x is approximately f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. Backward difference. F prime of x is approximately f of x minus f of x minus h divided by h. Central difference, f prime of x is approximately f of x plus h minus f of x minus h divided by 2h. The Taylor series method expands a function into an infinite sum. To estimate derivatives or solve differential equations, we use a few terms of the expansion. F of x equals f at x naught plus f prime at x naught times x minus x naught plus the second derivative term, and so on. When solving ODEs, we plug into a formula like this. The Euler's method is a simple way to approximate solutions of differential equations using straight lines. If di by dx equals f of x and y, then y next equals y now plus h times f at x and y. It's simple and iterative, but not very accurate for complex functions. The Runge-Kutta method, especially the fourth order, is one of the most accurate numerical methods. Step 1. Compute k1, the slope at the beginning. Step 2. k2, the slope at the midpoint using k1. Step 3. Another midpoint using k2. Step 4. k4, the slope at the end. Then take a weighted average. Runge gives amazing accuracy with fewer steps compared to Euler's method. So there you have it. Numerical differentiation explained with four essential methods: finite difference, Taylor series, Euler's method, Runge-Kutta method. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step engineering tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.